Alright guys, here's the storage unit. You'll see it really is a storage unit. My daughter Isabella, she's behind the camera, so we're gonna open it up and show you the car. So here we go. It's a 1963 Nova. It is a true super sport car. We've already got the back half in it done. It's gonna be a small tire car. I'll put 32s or something on it. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna start by tearing the front end off of it. We're getting ready to put the round tube chassis front end on it. So look in here real good. As you can see, we already got the tubs, all the sheet metal work's done in the back half. So what we're gonna do now, we've got the interior too. So sheet metal work's done in the interior as well. Back in here, yep, there you go. And so, I mean, it's got a good start on it. We just gotta get rolling on it. That's the big thing. So once we get it outside, we'll come back on. See you in a minute.